In this demo, we will demonstrate how Astera Centerprise simplifies data synchronization by interconnecting data which was previously in silos in 3 simple steps. Synchronizing changes across systems can be seamless with the right setup. Here, we already have a target model configured on a cloud database. Using the AI agent chat, you can update the model directly, for example, by marking an audit field to track changes. This tells the system which records need to be synchronized without reprocessing everything. With mappings in place, we switch to the workflow that handles synchronization. This workflow uses the audit field to run incremental loads, keeping the target up to date efficiently. At the end of each run, an email notification is automatically sent to confirm completion. From there, scheduling ensures this process runs exactly when you need it, whether hourly, daily, or weekly. Once set, the system keeps your target aligned with the sources in the background. No manual effort required. That's not all. You can also use other CDC techniques, like trigger-based capture, when building pipelines yourself, or by simply asking the AI chat. The result? Synchronized data that's always ready for reporting, analytics, and decision-making.